everyone and welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'm gonna make a very delicious and light recipe, and it's fried green fava beans. It's a side dish and it's eaten with bread and fresh vegetables. As usual, the written recipe I will be listed down below the video in the description box. Don't forget to follow me on social media, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and click on the bell button so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Now for the ingredients, I'm gonna need some green fava beans. I cut them into small pieces just like that. I'm also gonna need some fresh chopped coriander, some finely chopped onions, and some minced garlic. Now for the green fava beans, they come like that. I'm gonna remove the tips from the bottom and the top. Also, you have to remove like fine threads on both sides. These are tough and we want to get rid of them. Now in a pot on medium to high heat, I added some vegetable oil along with some olive oil. I'm gonna add the onions, saute them for a few minutes just until they get translucent and develop some color. You can add a pinch of salt to the onions to help them cook down a little bit. Now after a few minutes from sauteing the onions, I'm gonna add the green fava beans. Cook them for additional few minutes. Now at this point I'm gonna add some water, just about 1/4 of a cup, especially if you felt like the skin of the fava beans is a little bit tough. So the water is to help cook down the skin. Cover the pot and let it for about 10 to 15 minutes. And you want to stir every 5 minutes, and so on until the fava beans with the skin is fully cooked. Also, you don't want them to be completely dry. You must be left with a little bit of moisture in the pot. That's looking great. Now at this point I'm gonna add the rest of the ingredients. Here I have the minced garlic. I'm also going to add the fresh coriander, along with some salt. And for the spices, I'm using some cumin and some dried coriander. You can also add some black pepper if you like. I didn't add it. Let everything cook together for a few minutes, just until the fragrance of the garlic with the fresh coriander comes out. Finally, turn off the heat and finish it off with some freshly squeezed lemon juice. Give it a good stir and it's ready to be served. So as you saw, it was super easy to make. Also, the ingredients are very basic. You don't need too much. It's very healthy, delicious. Eat it with pita bread and fresh vegetables on the side. It's really yummy. So my lovelies, that was it for today's video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. Give it a try and tell me what you think. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'm gonna see you soon in another video. Bye!